welcome to Man's Life in Australia. I am at the Swan Valley section. I always stop around here because of this ice cream van. And I'm telling you what, if you ever come passing it, you have to come by and buy this ice cream. So I will show you in a minute. She's having her own ice cream as well. Make sure you don't drop any on your clothes. So as you can see guys, this is the one I bought. And I always tell the lady to always just put a little ice cream and double coat of chocolate. It's really yummy. I always have to stop here. So here we go. Here is the business called Nana and Papi's Ice Cream. And guys, so you can see all the different flavors. And I always buy the chocolate choc top for $8. There you go. That the chocolate itself is so amazingly really nice. That's why I keep coming back here. See? So this is on the main road passing by going to Swan Valley. And during summer they have section here that sells a lot of fruit and vegetable, mainly like grapes. When it's grape season, that's where they sell all the grapes and watermelon. My mom is having hers. She's just waiting in the car. So every summer I always stop here all the time. I go out of my way just to stop here and buy some ice cream. Ang sarap ng kanilang pagka-chocolate. I love the chocolate taste. And there's also another type with a different chocolate, a special type, but I like the normal one. Here we are guys. Welcome to Man's Life in Australia. It's called Nana and Papi's Ice Cream. So you can find it here. How can they spot you here? Where how can you describe the location?
I'd say we're on the corner of Arthur Street and West Swan Road in Caversham.
There you go. I always have to stop here guys because the ice cream tastes so good and the chocolate. So today I had to go out of my way just to get the ice cream.
It's the best ice cream, isn't it?
I tell you, it's the best ice cream. That's why I keep coming back.
I know.
So now, doing this will attract more visitors, more customers. So I'll see you next time.
Yes.
Okay, see you. The best ice cream. I'm telling you guys, I go out my way just to get this ice cream. And you know where to go now because Terry has already told you. Whereabout you can find it. It's just parked in the corner around the back. And they have some nice seating there, you know, nice shade trees. It's very relaxing to just sit down and eat your ice cream. Okay, see you next time. So guys, back again to Mary's Life in Australia. Once again, I have to tell you, there are so many ice cream vans that goes around, right? But I never stop to buy the ice cream. But when it comes to this special ice cream soft serve, I always go to this one. So if you ever around this area, don't hesitate, just stop and try the ice cream. And the owner is Terry. She's a lovely lady, easy to talk to. During closer to summer guys, you should see the queue there. And that section there, that is a fruit and vegetable, and often you see a lot of fresh watermelon, grapes, rock melon, chili. You know, it's best to try and stop by sometimes, and you can actually just sit down here, eat your ice cream overlooking at the Swan Valleys. And these are all grape plantation around there. Welcome to Mary's Life in Australia. Tignan natin if we can harvest. May nakaupo doon ngayon. wala pa. Ay, meron. Ayun, no? Hindi nila iniwan sa ano. Ayun, no? Tingnan mo. Hindi nalagay sa ano. Good morning. Mamaya yan, mag-iitlog na naman sila. So, I collect only one. Later on, mamaya meron na naman yan, mga 3, 4. My husband makes this by himself. Bibili ka and it's expensive, you might as well make it yourself. Tingnan nyo, oh. Galing, ano? Ang lalaki pa. And he's only using this container ng yogurt. Yan. Tignan nyo nagawa niya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tiyak may nadala na siya sa ano, sa house ng birds. Tsaka matigas siya. Kasi may gelatin. No? Kaya kahit kainin ng ibon, it will last a long time. Kasi nga ang tagal. Napaka-easy lang gawin ito, guys. Ayan pang gamit niya. Mga ganyan. Mix seeds. Para naman sabihin ng pigyan. So, gelatin lang gamit niya dyan, hot water, tsaka mixed bird seeds. But you have to know the amount of how much you need to use to be able to make this bird seed. Kita nyo? Ang daming ano nito. Minsan nga gumagawa pa siya ng ano by using sunflower seed. So there you go. Ipakita ko sa inyo look at this. I will pull this grass, right? Then, tignan nyo tatawagin ko yung mga guinea pig ko. Lalapit yan. Tignan nyo kung gaano pagaganda. Kita nyo? Tignan nyo. They know that already. Nakapag tinawag ko sa kanila, alam nila na magsusulot ako ng grass. Tignan nyo. Kakagulo sila. They love the grass. Yan. We have a lovebirds. Ayan Kita nyo? But, nag-lay siya ng eggs, tapos hindi niya inalagaan ng baby niya. So, all the 3 eggs died. I have to lift this, guys. Kasi nung naka-flat siya ng ganyan, the dog keeps on jumping on top. So, I have to do this again. Kasi otherwise, he will continue growing up there and destroying my plants. Are the flowers of onions. Kita nyo? Later on, when they already dry, they all turn black and then you have lots of seeds. Ang gaganda tingnan nyo, parang hindi onion. And then look at my Singapore guava. Full of fruits. Full of fruits. So hopefully they don't fall out because the weather is getting hot. Now, they're taking over the natatakpan ng grape tree yung aking sweet potato. I have to trim that a bit. I'm not allowed to see it yet. Oh my goodness. Okay. Hi everyone. Thank you for watching Mari's Life in Australia. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, Mari's Life in Australia. My budgie say bye. See you next time.